Hi, this is Jason Lewis, Midday's Technophile. Today we'll be reviewing the Shifu Plugo STEMWiz Pack. The STEMWiz Pack is a collection of 4 interfaces from the Shifu Plugo range. This includes the Plugo Gamepad, the Plugo Link, Plugo Letters and Plugo Count. In addition to this, you will need a smartphone or a tablet to play the actual games. While a smartphone works, this is actually built for a tablet which takes advantage of the bigger real estate. We tested the pack with an Apple iPad as well as an Android smartphone. The program worked well in both cases. Let's get on to the game itself. Initially, my 4-year-old child was very distracted and excited at the same time. It made it hard for me to get him to concentrate on the instructions. He was more than happy just to use the various interfaces rather than concentrate on what the program was trying to teach. So this isn't actually a device you can leave the kids with. You have to be around to explain the process to the child. This enthusiasm faded in about a week, and then the real work started with the device, where he was more open to learning and playing the games rather than doing something randomly. That said, most of the devices only fared as well as the programs that they came with, because without a solid game, the device had no utility. For every attached interface, you have to wait for the tablet to download the corresponding program. So make sure you start the process way before your kid comes to play. To make things easier, I will address each product individually. Let's start with the Plugo Letters. Plugo Letters comes with a deck and lots of letters that can be used to form words. We selected the pre-K setting so the right words would appear. There are about 9 games available. Each letter used in the game is spelt out phonetically, which can help the child learn the proper sounds of the letters. Unfortunately, the pre-K setting is a little too hard for a small child, and some of the game rules are complicated as well. Zizlu Draws and Run Dotty Run are the standout games here. They were easy for a small child to understand. Even in these 2 games, the words don't go incrementally, and it can get randomly harder to play with longer words. My child lost interest pretty quickly. This would work for a slightly older student, maybe kids who have just started with school. Plugo Link is all about logic and visual learning. It comes with a bunch of magnetic blocks that can stick to the board as well as each other. There are 6 games available to play with Plugo Link. The games are simple to understand and the increase in difficulty is logical. Who Am I, Loco Jojo and Hoppity Bob are the standout games here. They offer a good mix of learning and fun. It was engaging even for a 4-year-old and tapped the creative side very well. From all the 3 kits available in this set, this one was the most requested. On-screen visual corresponds to dots on the gamepad. This was the hardest thing to communicate to the child. However, the game was playable with trial and error, and the dots concept was eventually learned. Plugo Count is a mixed bag. Some of the games are fun and easy for a 4-year-old, but others are really tough. There are no instructions, and the game does not attempt to teach the basics of math. So rather than teach, this offers a means to practice. There are a total of 5 games available for Count. Little Dana's Adventure was the most accessible. You can choose your child's level of proficiency. So in case your child doesn't know addition or multiplication, you can turn those off. As a pack, the Shifu Plugo STEM kit is a great deal at 5,000 rupees. I do believe it has good utility. The downside, it works best with a tablet. And though it works with a smartphone, the experience and immersion is not the same. So you have to invest in a decent sized tablet if you want to make the most of it. The build quality of the kit is pretty good. There are no sharp edges, and it is appropriate for the age of 4+. Not all the programs included for the kit are great. Some are better than others. However, there is something useful for everyone here. I do think there are too many choices of games available from the very start, and there is no way for the parent to set a limit. This is a source of distraction for the child because they want to explore and browse through every game available. I think it's only a matter of age and perception before all the other programs are also useful. This is your Technophile Jason Lewis signing off. Until next time.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.